Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian. On this channel I talk about everything nursing, lifestyle, motherhood, beauty and all that good stuff. Today I'm coming with you with a new UK point-based system for immigration that is set to start up from January 2021. As we all know, the UK is no longer part of the UK and free movement within Europe and the UK is going to stop. However, what's more important about this documentation that was published is that for nurses and doctors, or for, let me quote their term, highly skilled workers, of which nurses and doctors are included, and a couple of other professions which I'm going to let you into as we go on, we are now entitled to free IHS fees for both the main applicants and for their dependents. How cool is that? I know the IHS fee was exempted for main applicants during the COVID. However, now going forward, this is going to apply to both dependents and main applicants. As usual, you'll be required to have your English language. Your employer will pay the immigration skills surcharge every year, which I spoke about in my last video, £1,000 every year for you as an immigrant. And the immigration health surcharge has been taken off. That is fantabulous. I'm sure you are as excited as I am for this news. There's still going to be restrictions on access to public funds and all of that. However, we're happy because at least the cost of applying for visas will be reduced, and this is coming as a result of them acknowledging the good works that we nurses, doctors, care workers are doing helping the NHS. You will be expected to pay your applications fee as is already present now, and then immigration skills charge will be levied to UK employers for skilled workers, as I have mentioned earlier. Sponsorship will also still continue. Most of the things that we know are still going to stay put. This is a very long document, a 130-page document. You can go have a read for yourself and have more understanding. There are going to be some clauses with points depending on the job offer and the amount a person is being offered for their job. However, most of it is straightforward. All you have to do is actually go and have a read of this document. So I'm not going to be reading a lot of those things now. However, for skilled workers, which is my focus, nurses and doctors, you're still expected to have your English. Application fee you pay, immigration skills surcharge, you pay health surcharge. It says subject to specific exemptions, of which nurses and doctors are exempt. You still have to give your biometrics, and you still also have to have a valid job from a UK employer. And you still also have to prove your funds with your maintenance in your bank account, or if your sponsor is sponsoring you, then you don't need to pay this money. And you have to have a job at an appropriate salary threshold. For nurses, the going rate is going to apply. The going rate is normal pay scale rate, which we already are having in the NHS pay scale for nurses. So this value may be lower than the threshold, but it is acceptable for nurses. A lot of people are highly skilled, however, do not have a lot of sponsors who are willing to bring them to the UK. Beyond January 2021, the UK government is saying they're going to open a route to make highly skilled workers to come to the UK without being sponsored. However, this is going to be capped. Now, for the healthcare workers who are going to be having the health and care visa, now the UK government is saying that they welcome the vital contributions of doctors, nurses and other health professionals from overseas making to the NHS and the wider healthcare sector. And as such, the healthcare visa is part of a skilled worker route. It will ensure individuals working in eligible health occupations with a job offer from the NHS, social care sector, or employers and organizations which provide services to the NHS who have good working English are incentivized to come to the UK. There will be fast track entry with reduced application fees. 1. Dedicated support regarding the application process for eligible individuals to come to the UK with their families. Those who are eligible to apply for the health and care visa and dependents will also be exempt from having to pay the immigration health surcharge. Frontline workers in the health and social care sector who are not eligible for the new healthcare visa will pay immigration health surcharge but would benefit from a reimbursement scheme. Further details will follow in due course. This is amazing. Not only will there be reduced fee, we are also exempt from the IHS fee. Now, a full list of the professions who are entitled to this free IHS is going to come up immediately after this. So we have biological scientists and biochemists, physical scientists, medical practitioners, psychologists, pharmacists, ophthalmic opticians, dental practitioners, medical radiographers, podiatrists, health professionals not elsewhere classified, physiotherapists, now therapists, speech and language therapists, therapy professionals not elsewhere classified, nurses, doctors, midwives, social workers, and paramedics. These are the list of professions who are eligible to have the free IHS in their visa applications. On this table is the amount of money which you are expected to have been offered a job on before your visas will be approved. However, for nurses, as we all know, our entrance rate is usually lower. However, there is something that's been classified as the going rate on here, and for nurses that is the NHS pay scale, which is going to be accepted even at a lower rate for nurses to be given a visa into the UK. So let's say hurrah, as we now have what we have always wanted, and we're really very grateful for that. So go ahead, prepare yourself, and be en route to the UK. Love you all as always. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye for now.